guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows 11 on your Mac. So you download this application, Parallels Desktop. You go on it, and you press install Windows. So you search Parallels Desktop. For Mac free. Here, free systems in Parallel Desktop. So try now. And then you download it. So that's how you install it. You go here, install, but I'm not going to do that yet. If you can download this, download macOS, or I don't know why it says that, because this is macOS running. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And also, for those of you who do not see it, I just uploaded this video here. It's my first live stream. So that's about it. See you in the next one. Peace.